Hi everyone, this is TMT Garage Door Motor System. Now I'm gonna show you how to learn a new remote without reaching up to the motor or even open it up. Bring one of your old remotes, press hold the first two buttons for 5 seconds. Press and hold. When the motor light comes up and flashing, now bring one of your new remote, press once, and then wait for a few seconds. Now the new remote can work now. Stop, open. Okay. And the second button is to control your lights. Turn off, turn it on, turn off. This is the TMT Garage Door Motor System. This is a video showing you how to learn a new remote to the system without opening up the case. Wish you enjoyed the technology.